Here's a detailed narrative on the Basmala, from Tafsir al-Jalalayn. It provides a detailed explanation of the significance of Basmala from the perspective of Tafsir al-Jalalayn, emphasizing its spiritual, theological, and practical implications for believers. The significance of Basmala in the Quran. The Basmala, which begins with the words, "In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful," holds profound significance in Islamic tradition and understanding. It serves as a prelude to every chapter, surah, of the Quran, except for Surah At-Tawbah, chapter 9. The phrase encapsulates the essence of the Quranic message and underscores the centrality of divine mercy in Islam. Invocation of Allah's name. By commencing with, believers invoke the name of Allah, affirming His sovereignty and seeking His blessings and guidance. This invocation reflects the Islamic principle of tawakkul, reliance on Allah, and acknowledges that all endeavors should begin with the remembrance of the divine. It also signifies the believer's submission to Allah's will and authority, setting the tone for humility and reverence throughout the recitation of the Quran. Attribute of mercy. The Basmala further emphasizes two key attributes of Allah, the entirely merciful, and the especially merciful. These attributes highlight Allah's boundless compassion and benevolence towards His creation. Denotes Allah's mercy that encompasses all of creation, whether they are believers or non-believers, while emphasizes His specific mercy towards the believers. Together, these attributes underscore the core principle of Rahmah, mercy, as a guiding principle in Islam, reminding believers of Allah's forgiveness, compassion, and generosity. Implications for recitation. In Tafsir al-Jalalayn, scholars emphasize the importance of reciting Basmala before beginning the recitation of the Quran. It is considered a virtuous act, sunnah, and a means of seeking Allah's blessings and protection. Moreover, scholars highlight the spiritual significance of Basmala in purifying the heart and mind, preparing them to receive the guidance and wisdom contained in the Quran. Reciting Basmala before engaging with the Quran is thus encouraged as a means of enhancing one's connection with Allah and deepening their understanding of His message. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Basmala serves as a foundational element in the recitation of the Quran, encapsulating the essence of Islamic faith and practice. It signifies the believer's acknowledgement of Allah's sovereignty, reliance on His mercy, and submission to His will. Through invoking Allah's name and emphasizing His attributes of mercy, the Basmala reminds believers of the fundamental principles of Islam and encourages them to approach the Quran with humility, reverence, and gratitude. As such, the Basmala holds a central place in Islamic spirituality and serves as a powerful reminder of the divine presence in every aspect of life.